Basically, the concept is that your hands have a lot of germs and bacteria, for one, so rubbing in product is probably not always that good of an idea. But the other thing is that it has this patented technology that basically does these cool things that helps you not age so harshly. We'll find out. So it's a V-Lift contouring device, and it's also a cleansing and massaging device. And then it uses this technology called MintSonic, which is basically a vibration technology that helps stimulate the nutrients in your skin to basically help you glow and hydrate and have better skin. But it also has this internal benefit. So I want to understand this more, but I'm just going to start by trying it because why not? Oh, so this is so cute. It looks like a little toy. It's so cute. It looks like little pigtails. You can use it as like a lifting. You can use these little bristles to apply cleanser and moisturizer. And then it's apparently like a massage. So I'm really excited to try this. So look how